Dear Aquarius, I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your mid-monthly tarot reading for the month of September, and this is for the sign of Aquarius, as I've already told you. So this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Please check your placements before you watch the readings, and also be mindful that the roles might get reversed, so take how it resonates with you. Okay, and of course I've been away for a long time and I'll be regular from now on, so nothing to worry about. So let's begin and see what is in store for Aquarius in their love life for the month of September. This is mid-monthly, so it will be from 15th of September till the 30th of September. What is in store for Aquarius for the month of September? For the remaining month of September, what is in store for Aquarius for the remaining month of September? Let's see what is in store for Aquarius for the remaining month of September. Let's see, let's figure out. Okay, so we have a healing energy that is there for you, and some burden. So you have been feeling a lot of burden about something which you are healing from, and you are trying to come to harmony in the situation. Let's dive deep into this and see, clarify the burden card. What is the burden that you're feeling, Aquarius? What is the burden about in your love life? What is the burden about in your love life? Let's see what is the burden about in your love life. Let's clarify this and see what is the burden that you're feeling. What is the burden that you're feeling? What is the burden that you're feeling? Okay, so you are feeling a burden about someone. You feel that this person is quite harsh and rude to you, okay, whosoever it is, but at the same time you feel they are quite abundant and they have that what you want in that person. You have that enlightenment also, but then you feel that this person is quite rude and quite arrogant, and you're not sure if things will be fine with them or not. You are learning from your experiences basically, and you are exploring the possibilities. You are trying to work this out, but you're not sure if this will happen or not. So what are you trying to heal yourself from? Let's see, what are you trying to heal yourself from? Let's see, what are you trying to heal yourself from? Universe, please tell me, what are you trying to heal yourself from? Aquarius, what are you trying to heal yourself from? You're trying to heal yourself from some stuck energy. You have been stuck in a certain particular direction since a long time, and you're trying to heal yourself from that. Again, the star card is a wish fulfillment. At the same time, it is also a healing energy, and you are basically moving towards an energy where you feel that you are trying to focus on yourself. By healing from this energy, you're trying to focus on yourself, your looks, your aura, you indulging in yourself into self-love, because this person has somehow cut you off and you are now independent. But this is a heavy energy on you. That is, you are not happy at the same time, but you're trying to focus on yourself. Okay, you are coming out of that zone where you were stuck in this person. You're trying to heal yourself and you're trying to focus on self-love at this point of time. Earlier you were very stuck on this person because of their rude behavior and how they ended up things with you. You are also still feeling the burden, but you are gradually proceeding to heal yourself. There is a transformation at the end. So what I felt it already. So what is the harmony here that you're looking up to? Let's clarify the harmony as well. Aquarius, what is the harmony that you are looking for? Your looks will change, your aura will change, your everything, your outlook will change. You will become very attractive this month. Congratulations, Aquarius. I mean, this is a good kind of self-love that you can give yourself. So you are in two minds about something. You are ignoring to see certain aspects. Okay, you're blindfolded here, as you can see. So you're ignoring to see certain aspects. At the same time, you're trying to walk into calmer waters, you're holding yourself back, you are in two minds about something, but you want to push everything aside and keep yourself happy. So your focus is now on self love at this point of time. That is there, and though you are juggling things, juggling in two minds, that is, you are not sure if you want to take this person back, want to continue about this thing, or you just want to continue your own journey. You're not sure about that at this point of time. Okay, but there is a high energy of self love that is coming from your reading, and it's beautiful. Okay, okay, so that is what is there for you in your love. Now we'll see what is there for you in your career. What is there for Aquarius in their career for the month of September, starting from 15th of September till the 30th of September? What is there for Aquarius in their career? What is coming for Aquarius in their career? Okay, let's find out. Okay, so some sort of good news or some sort of traveling energy that is coming towards you this month, and you will also know your life purpose. You will get clarity on your life purpose, immense clarity, immense consciousness that is coming towards you this month. Very beautiful energy. Out of all the career readings that I've done till now, this is the best. I mean, beautiful energy. Everyone is struggling with something or the other, but you have this beautiful aura that you are traveling for some kind of work opportunity or something. Then you are able to figure out your life purpose. At the same time, you are gaining clarity over situations, but you are complacent with whatever it is. You are not feeling the need to take any extra effort. You're not feeling the need to make any extra effort or take any extra action towards anything at this moment. Okay, let's clarify this. What is the traveling energy here for Aquarius? Let's clarify the traveling. What is the traveling card here for? 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 You might relocate to certain place. That is what I'm getting. Or move to a different location maybe for work opportunities. Okay, like I told you, it's a very positive energy, but there is some sneakiness also that is coming here. So you are basically trying to escape from something that has been bothering you, and you're taking a leap of faith and going towards the positive side of things. So you are moving to a different zone or different location. It can also be a job switch for some of you. So you're trying to move past the obstacles, and very beautiful energy. You're already coming out of all this, and you are ready to move ahead after you have done your work path and learnt everything. You've experienced everything. You're already out of it. Okay, what is the existence card here for? Let's see. What is the existence card here for? What is the existence card here for you? What is the existence card here for? Okay, so existence, you know your worth very well. You've realized your worth, your potential, wherever your heart lies, what is your life purpose, and you are ready to explore the possibilities, and you will be emerging victorious. As you can see, this is a very nice card to come for a reading. You will be in some sort of public attraction, and you will garner a lot of attention from people. You will get a lot of attention from people. You will get a lot of praise from people. You will be in public eyes, or you will be in some sort of attention, a center of attraction of some sort. Very beautiful energy, like I've already told you, seeing the first three cards. and you will be a little cold shouldered with people. A little arrogance might hit you because of all this. You need to avoid that. Okay, so what is the consciousness card here for? Let's see what is the clarity that you're getting in the situation. Let's see, Aquarius, what is the clarity that you're getting in the situation? Let's see, clarity that you're getting in the situation. So the clarity here is you will be attending some sort of course, some sort of curriculum, or maybe going back to school, learning something from someone, or maybe you will be collaborating with other people and moving forward in that direction. So there is a high travel energy that I am getting for you people. So there is a high probability of travel, relocation, or maybe a switch of job. There is a high probability of that. And then you have this brand new beginning, and this will be like an emotional fulfillment of some sort. You waited for this for quite long, and this is the clarity you're getting now. Okay, so you have been working towards it, and you're clear, you're consciously aware that this is about to happen, and you're going to strike stability. Very beautiful energy, I would say. Okay, so very nice, very positive career reading for you, Aquarius. Okay, now this was for your career. Now we let me just arrange the cards and we'll see what is in store for you for your overall guidance. What is the overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of September? Overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of September. Overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of September. Overall guidance for Aquarius for the month of September. So participation, encourage yourself to participate as much as you can within collaborations, within partnerships, within all sorts of dynamics. You can go out, be social. That is the advice for you. You will be exceeding in that in both your love life as well as professionally, in your career as well. So you need to participate as much as you can, put in your efforts as much as you can. There has to be an equal give and take in this situation. This is the advice for you, and you're also aware of it. Okay, so that was your reading, Aquarius. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay blessed. Namaste.